Are you thinking of pursuing a master's in civil engineering in Ireland? You are looking at options, you're looking at colleges, you think the tuition fees is a little high, you're not sure if you should come to Ireland or not? Hear me out. So, if you're someone who is from a civil engineering background looking for a master's, I think Ireland is a good option. You have a lot of colleges offering this course. Plus, you could also come for a course like project management or engineering management. There are all over 26 colleges in Ireland. So, the universities, the fees would be a little higher. For the colleges, the fees would be lower. So, completely depends on what you want to go for. If you want to go for a top tier college and a master's in civil engineering, the fees would be anywhere between 20 to 25 lakh rupees. And if you want to go for a master's in project management, the fees would be like 10 to 15. It completely depends on your choices. Now, it's always good to have a specialization course if you've already done a bachelor's in civil engineering. In terms of scholarships, colleges are offering scholarships anywhere between 2 to 5,000 euros, which is enough. I think it's much better than getting like nothing. And the application process is relatively easier compared to other countries. Now, in terms of ROI, I think it's good, especially for people who have experience in their country. So if you are a fresh graduate thinking of doing a master's, I would say stay back, work for a year or two, gain some practical experience, and then opt for a master's. I think it makes sense for all industries because you need to have certain amount of experience in the field, because companies are always looking for people who have technical expertise over people who have the relevant qualification. So if you are on the fence about this, you're applying, you're thinking of taking the leap, if you have any questions at all, if you are someone who's already applied but who's not sure if you want to go with it or not, let me know in the comments or DM me. I'd be happy to help.